Hi, this is Justin Byrd from Ranney, Blair, Weidmann, and I want to walk you through some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to additions to my home so that you can be confident in the decisions moving forward. Who's a good fit for home additions? First factor, is your lot big enough to withstand an addition? Will your survey allow us? Will your local jurisdiction allow us to do that? If those answers are yes, then a good fit is somebody looking to make this their forever home. Somebody that's looking for this addition to add something to their family. Somebody that's looking for this addition to change the way they function in this house. Those are all good fits for us. So who's not a good fit? Someone that's looking for something that's a specialty. Let's just say it's just a deck addition to your home. Well, is there someone out there that specializes in decks that can knock this out of the water for you? Is there someone that this is all they do? Then, sometimes they're not the best fit for us. When can you start this service? Additions take a little bit longer with permitting. Typically, we need to take your survey, put your architecture on top of this addition, and submit it to the city. 9 times out of 10, there's some kind of kickback. So a lot of times permitting will dictate when we can start your project, but I will also say that we can start additions within about 6 weeks of signing the build contract. How long does a home addition take? Home additions can take anywhere from 12 to 24 weeks. What's the size of the addition? How much are we affecting of the current home? All those can factor into how long the project will take. How much does a home addition cost? Well, depends on what we're doing. It can be anywhere from $275,000 all the way up to $650,000 plus. How big's the addition? How much of the current home are we affecting? A $275,000 addition is a bump out of your home to enhance a current space that leads into others, to enhance a level of a floor, or finishing off a space that was previously unfinished. At $650,000 plus means we're adding 1,000 square foot to your home. That home is gutted. We're changing the complete layout of that home. What can you do to prepare for a home addition? Step 1, get a survey. We can't put architecture without a survey. We need to know what we can do. So survey is the single most thing that you can do to help us speed up that process. Also, think about what this addition will do to your life, your daily routine, how will it enhance the way you live in that home. So these are some of the most common questions we get when it comes to additions of a home. If I haven't answered your questions today, feel free to check out our website, fill out the form, give us a call, or simply pop in our showroom.